Dixie. Come on, Dixie, come. Come here. Come on, Potter.
He's doing right, Ro.
Potter, come on. I'm so glad.
Oh. Guys, she's okay. She's by me, honey bunny. Oh, crust. Come here, Dixie. Dixie! Come on. Get over here.
Hey, you want to go up there? Potter, come here. Potter, come here.
Come here, stuff. Come on, baby.
Come on, right there, buddy.
Gotta be that way. Turn to me and come forward.
Bump it a little bit.
Sitting right on.
Forward, bump it.
Big ass rock right there. Hold that.
You got this fire in a hole, and then that side's trying to get up on that ledge.
One was going to go more than that one, just walked up that one.
He was in it, but you slid the water.
Can you turn this way in reverse?
Other way.
Sorry.
No, we want
In
to
reverse.
Oh, yeah, look, he's good now.
Got a flat tire now. I heard it beeping and then it just... Or was it just coming out of the bead?
It just came out of the bead.
Let me get some air in it before you...
Oh, okay.